Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? In this session, we are going to complete our lesson by studying the characteristics of the third state of matter. We have studied the characteristics of solids and liquids, and in this session, we are going to recognize gases. Okay? I want you to bring a bottle of soft drink. اوكي، يعني bottle of soft drink فيها تكون بيبسي او اي شيء ممكن يكون فيه اسيد. I want you to put it close to your face، يعني نقربها لعند وجهنا. Okay, the first question is what do you feel when you open it؟ يعني شو منحس لما نفتحها هاي البطل؟ اذا فتحناها وهي قريبة على وجهنا رح نحس بال presence of gas. Okay, how do we feel with the presence of gas؟ لأنه لما نفتح هاي البطل رح نحس إنه هيدا الغاز طلع إجا على وجهنا. Okay? I just want to ask you if you can catch it. Try to catch this gas. Can you catch it? Like solids, for example? Of course, no. Does it have a definite form؟ كمان الغاز إذا بنطلع فيه بنشوفه عنده شكل محدد؟ كمان راح نقول no, it doesn't have a definite shape. So we can conclude from this experiment that gases are objects that don't have a definite form، ما عندهم definite shape أو definite form شكل محدد، and cannot be held by hands، يعني like liquids. Okay? So we can conclude that matter exists in three states: solids, liquids, and gases. هاي أكيد كلنا صرنا نعرفها وحافظينها. A solid has a definite shape and can be held by hands. كمان هودي الكاركترستكس عن solid لازم نحفظهم. A liquid doesn't have a definite shape and can't be held by hands. Gas also doesn't have a definite shape and can't be held by hands. And now let's practice more by observing the following documents. Here we have in document 1. On the table there are liquid, gas, and solid. How can we recognize them? In document 1, part A, we have solids. Try to hold 500 gram mass, stone, and the glass with your hand. Okay? Try to hold them. The first question, can you hold the stone, glass, and 500 gram mass? Of course, yes, we can hold them. Okay? يعني فينا نحملهم وننقلهم من محل للتاني مثل ما شفنا بالإكسبيرمنت. Do you need to put the solid in a container to be held؟ يعني إذا أنا بدي أنقل solid مثل glass أو مثل stone بدي أنقله من محل للتاني. Do we need to put it in a container؟ يعني لازم أحطه بكونتينر بوعاء لحتى أنقله؟ Of course no, because it can't be held with our hands. Does the shape of the solid change when placed in a container? Of course no. يعني هيدا الشيء إذا كان على التيبل هيدا السوليد أو حطيناه ببول أو بأي كونتينر رح يضل شكله مثل ما هو because solids have a definite shape لأنه solids عندهم شكل محدد. Okay? And their shape doesn't change. Document 2 shows liquids. You should know that liquids wet the objects that they touch. يعني الليكويدز بيخلوا أي object بيلمسوه بصير رطب. Okay? Liquid, we have water and milk pass between the fingers. Okay? You know that liquids can't be held by fingers. They will pass between the fingers and fall down. Liquid flows and can't be transported from a container to another. يعني liquid flows يعني بطوف وفينا ننقله من container to another, from this glass to another glass, from this bottle to this glass cup. Okay? Then we have gas here. You should know that gas cannot be held by fingers also. Here is written gas. We cannot hold butane gas. هون في عندي butane gas and we cannot hold them. ما في أحملهم within my hands and وانقلهم لمحل تاني. Okay? We must put gas in a closed container or else it will spread in the air. يعني الغاز لازم نحطه ب closed container أو راح ينتشر in the air. Okay? After we observe this document and these photos, we are going now to answer the following questions. Try to hold water in your hand. What happens if we try to hold water in our hands? Water will fall down. How can you hold liquids? كيف فينا نحمل الليكويدز وننقلهم من محل للتاني؟ We have to place them in a container. كلكم بتعرفوا إذا بدنا ناخد معنا water على school لازم نحطه ببطل. Okay? Can we recognize liquids from their shape? Of course no. يعني أنا بقدر أعرف الليكويد من شكله. يعني إذا حاطة أنا بهيدا الجلاس water أو milk أو أي شيء تاني راح ياخد شكل الكب، وإذا حطيته بالبطل راح ياخد شكل البطل. فإذا أنا من شكله ما بقدر أحدد إذا هو ميلك أو جوس أو أي شيء تاني. أوكي؟ لأنه ما عنده definite shape. Try to hold gas in your hand like this. Can you hold butane gas or can you hold oxygen from the air? Of course, no, you can't. Can we recognize a gas from its shape? كمان نقدر نعرف الغاز من شكله؟ أكيد no, because gases don't have a definite shape. كمان لأنه الغازز ما عندهم شكل محدد. Finally, we conclude that solids have a definite shape while liquids and gases don't have. يعني don't have a definite shape. Okay? I just want you to copy the answers on your book. Thanks for listening. Take care and stay safe.